Being able to be part of the 6-week challenge was honestly the best thing that happened in my life.
Since starting Gauge Girl, I've lost 18 pounds. I have lost many inches off of all parts of my body.
I'm down 7 pounds.
I was able to drop 20 pounds and 7 inches.
Going from 145 pounds to 130 in a matter of weeks is just insane.
I've lost 14 pounds and many inches. I've learned about eating from my macros and my body type, and it has changed my outlook on weight loss surgery, and what I can accomplish when I have the right tools.
On just the 6-week summer challenge, I've lost a total of 12 pounds, and I did ask for the more aggressive one where you lose 2 pounds per week, and I have followed it, and I have lost that exactly 12 pounds by the end of the challenge. So
I've been following Christine in gaugegirltraining.
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 Christine Fronek and her awesome team at gaugegirltraining.
I absolutely love this new platform she put out this year. It includes a fitness app that you have on your phone.
Everything is in an app where your macros are synced with MyFitnessPal, which you'll use to track your food, and then the exercises are loaded there for you for your record.
It gave me the structure I needed in terms of having everything I needed at my fingertips, my macros, my workouts.
And it guides you through the movements, how long you do it. It's perfect for a newbie to exercise like me, but it's challenging enough for an experienced person.
I've always been motivated to work out and to do the things I needed to do to lose weight. In the past, I always gained it back because I didn't have the guidelines of how to lose weight the healthy way.
I learned so many new exercises, ways to use resistance bands.
You're given macros based off your body type as well as your choice of home or gym exercise based off of your body type.
I found Gaugegirltraining on YouTube during quarantine. Started eating within my macros and for my body type. In just a few short weeks, I saw an amazing transformation. Then I joined the summer challenge.
Summer Shred Challenge.
6-week Gaugegirltraining challenge.
The 6-week summer challenge.
The 6-week summer shred challenge. What can I say about it? It's life-changing. It's life-sustainable. It's a lifesaver.
I have been looking for a program to help me meet my dietary goals because I was told by my endocrinologist that I had a 20% chance of developing type 2 diabetes.
When I was 25, I was diagnosed with PCOS and had gained a substantial amount of weight, which I had difficulty losing. Through her videos, I discovered that I am an insulin-resistant mesomorph, very low carb tolerant.
I really like Christine's flexible dieting and macros approach because it's taught me more about food and how to fuel my body so that I could meet my daily macro goals and stay energized throughout the day.
There's a community that we have on a private Facebook group.
You get this great forum of wonderful people who support you and help you answer your questions.
The support that I got from the Facebook group inspired me to push harder when I'd see how many calories people were burning or how many steps people were getting.
A Facebook community that was supportive and encouraging and challenged me to reach my goals. We got to Zoom with Christine once a week and she was able to answer any questions we had.
The Q&As weekly with Christine were great for problem solving and just getting more information about health in general.
I also really like her Zoom meetings. That's my favorite because you get to ask Christine questions and she is so honest. I appreciate that. She sounds like a real person and not a gimmick. So
the meals are great. I really enjoy her recipes. She gives room for flexible dieting if you don't have time to go shopping for exactly what's on her plan.
The whole flexible dieting, I would never go back to anything else.
I enjoy having the flexible dieting approach with the macros so that way you meet your dietary needs and also implement the food that you really like.
I never thought that flexible dieting would work for me, and it has honestly been the best approach ever.
This 6-week summer shred challenge is the first time that I've actually done flexible dieting, and it's taught me so much knowledge, just nutrition and what I can actually do for myself every day.
I think that's really important for, learning how to eat and on the long term.
Especially after 2 years of yo-yo dieting, I think I've created a very love-hate relationship with food, and this has definitely changed just my overall mental health, my physical health, and emotional health.
And the main thing that has changed is just learning the rules of macros and how important it is. Instead of using calories in, calories out, it is more important to count your macros, that's for sure.
It's made me feel so good about myself. It's made me feel so much better physically and mentally. I don't know what to say. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gauge Girl.
Thank you so much.
I just highly recommend Gauge Girl training to anyone on their weight loss journey.
If you're on the fence about the 6-week challenge, just take the leap and you'll be surprised about what you can achieve too.
It's a really great investment because honestly, investing in your health is one of the best things you can do, and you get so much out of this program. I cannot recommend it enough.